Merry Christmas, everybody! I'm a Christmas tree. I've been making all these cookies and sweets. What about something green? I'm gonna make caramelized Brussels sprouts. And guess what? They're still sweet, because they're caramelized. When I think of Christmas, I think of Brussels sprouts. Those sure are smelly, but tasty. Let's do it. I've cut up and boiled about a pound of Brussels sprouts. In a pan, melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Now add 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. It's gonna take a little bit. We want to allow it to melt and combine, and soon it'll change color. Once it gets darker, let's add those sprouts and coat them well. I'm gonna mix it around for about 3 minutes. Keep your eye on that sugar because you don't want it to get too dark. Caramelized Brussels sprouts. They're actually quite good. They're very sweet, and I like it. That makes me like Brussels sprouts a little bit more. This video is dedicated to my friend Debbie from Debbie's Kitchen. I've known her for such a long time, and she's one of the nicest people that I know. If you want to, go head on over to her channel and tell her that Jim says hi and wish her a Merry Christmas. I attended a very awkward Christmas party in an igloo. I tried to break the ice, but it just made things worse.